What is facial hyperpigmentation? What causes facial hyperpigmentation? And most importantly, how to treat facial hyperpigmentation. Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time of coming across my face, hi, I am Ijoma and you're welcome here. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for always checking back. I'm very grateful. And now to my newest subscribers, guys, we just hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. I couldn't have been here without you guys. God, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Like, I started this YouTube like play. I'm so glad. I never knew I would make it this far under 3 months. I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. I'm so excited to announce that we'll be starting a series on facial cares. Yeah, how to take care of the face, the acne, the sunburns, everything, hyperpigmentations, everything. We'll be targeting the whole skin types: oily skin, dry skin, sensitive, normal skin. So look out for it. You guys have been on my neck lately. IJ, you know, making any video on face. What we use on our face? What soap do we use? What face cream do we use? Should we use this on the face? I'll be like, I cannot reply everybody in the comment section because I'm very busy. So that's why I said, okay, let me make videos on facial treatment and facial cares. And that's why we're starting off with this series. And in today's topic, as you can see on the thumbnail already, we will be focusing on facial hyperpigmentation. Very soon we'll also make a video on body hyperpigmentation, but today we'll be focusing on the face only. So we're going to dive into facial hyperpigmentation. What is facial hyperpigmentation? What causes facial hyperpigmentation? And most importantly, how to treat facial hyperpigmentation. And also I'll be telling you ingredients to look out for in your product, in your skincare product, while purchasing products that targets hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is a common skin concern that a lot of people struggle with, including myself. And it can be very frustrating and can reduce one's self-confidence. But the good thing is there is a good and effective treatment available for this skin concern. Like I said earlier, I will be sharing some tips on how to choose the right ingredients in your skincare products, like the ingredients to look out for whenever you're purchasing your skincare product. Yeah, I will also be giving you a personalized routine on managing your hyperpigmentation, and I'll also be sharing my top favorite products that actually targets hyperpigmentation in this video. Some people will ask, what is hyperpigmentation? Like you can see on the screen, hyperpigmentation occurs when certain parts of the skin tends to be darker than some areas around it. Like maybe like somewhere around my hand here might be darker than the other part. Like it comes in form of, most times it comes in form of spot like injuries and stuff like that. Like it's maybe in a whole hand like this. Let's say here, for example, that will be dark, this dark mark and stuff like that. There will be a picture on here for you to see what exactly is hyperpigmentation. For people that do not know, some people might have this skin concern but they would not know what it is called. So that is why this picture will be here for you to see what it looks like and what this is called. If you have this, it is called hyperpigmentation. Yeah, that is what it is called. This is usually caused when there is excess melanin production in the body, and melanin is a pigment responsible for skin color. Now, some people will ask, what are the causes of hyperpigmentation? Research has it that a lot of things might cause hyperpigmentation, but in some of the common causes of hyperpigmentation is sun exposure, inflammation, hormonal change, medication, medical conditions, skin injury, genetics, and aging. These are the common causes of hyperpigmentation. It's nothing to panic about, but this is why we are making this video, because to regain our self-confidence, we need to treat this so that our skin would blend and we will be comfortable in our own skin without having to excessively cover our body. Now, here are some key ingredients you should look out for whenever you're purchasing any skincare product targeting hyperpigmentation. We don't need to waste our money or waste our time buying the wrong product. Whenever you're purchasing your skincare product, you need to make sure 1 or 2 or 3 of these ingredients I will be listing now is in that product, so that you will not waste your money in getting the wrong product, hereby resulting to it didn't work for me, I didn't see any results when using this product, or maybe telling the skincare vendor what you recommended was not right for me. Now I am teaching you how to choose by yourself without anybody helping you or recommending to you. Whenever you're purchasing skincare products, check the ingredient list to see maybe 1 or 2 of these ingredients are in them. And the key ingredients are vitamin C, 2 niacinamide, 3 azelaic acid, 4 is alpha-arbutin, 5 is retinoid, which include retinol and tretinoin, hydroquinone, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, tranexamic acid, lastly kojic acid. These are the key ingredients that will help in fading hyperpigmentation from your skin. Now let's go into the routine for treating hyperpigmentation. In this routine we have 6 steps, and this routine is a tested and trusted treatment. I will be looking down because I have my notes here. I sketched out everything so that I wouldn't miss out on anything. In the first step, which is the in-shower treatment, yes, this including the wash-off product. The first cleanser on our list today is Cerave Blemish Control Cleanser for blemish prone skin, and this contains niacinamide, salicylic acid, and 3 ceramides. As you're using this product, it will also help in repairing your skin barriers while treating your blemishes. It's suitable to be used every day, every single day. Now the second on our list is, which is also under cleanser, which is the Kojie soap. This soap is so nice. Like, my love for this soap is top notch. It's very lightening. It is like under 3 days it's going to clear any form of discoloration on your body, but you need to be very careful. It can be very drying. While using the soap, you need to always moisturize very well, and please the original. Yeah, this will be used 3 times in a week on the problem areas. How you're going to use it is you make a foam and you apply it all over the places where you have this problem, be it dark underarm, dark inner thigh, or any part of your body that there is discoloration or hyperpigmentation. You apply it directly to the place. This takes us to step 2, and this one is AHA and BHA chemical peel from the Ordinary. This one will help in fading out any discoloration. It's a chemical peel, but it is so gentle. Chemical exfoliation is better while treating hyperpigmentation, so that's why you need to use the Ordinary BHA and AHA chemical peel. It is very good and it's hydrating after application. It does not only help in fading hyperpigmentation, it also helps in skin texture. If you know that you have a textured skin, this chemical peel is very good for you. It's going to help in restoring your skin barrier. It's going to help in reviving your skin. It's going to give you a plump looking skin. This is how you use this one. You're going to apply it on your face for 10 minutes and you wash it off. So after you wash it off, what you're going to do is don't clean your face. Allow it to dry. Allow the water to dry on its own while waiting for the second stage. You're going to use it once a week only. Just once a week is when you're going to use this. Don't use it twice, just once a week. It's okay. Now let's go to the third step, which is the toners. The toner we are going to be using is glycolic acid exfoliating toner by the Ordinary, and this one is a very amazing product. This does the job. Like, it's literally work for any part of your body where there is discoloration, be that dark inner thigh, dark underarms, knuckles, any part of your body that you know that there is discoloration, uneven skin tone. Just apply it on that place, and it's very safe to be used on the face. It's a toner, and you're going to use this toner just 3 times a week. Please don't use it more than 3 times. Use it just 3 times. It can be drying. Yeah, so glycolic acid can be very drying, so you're going to be using it just 3 times in a week. And consistency is the key. Why use it 3 times? The next week you're using 3 times. Basically, you're going to get a very good result. Now the fourth one is the serums, which is the vitamin C and the niacinamide, and also the treatment serums. We're going to be using a treatment serum that will help in targeting this hyperpigmentation, that will help in fading that discoloration. Yeah, and we're going to be needing the vitamin C from the brand La Roche-Posay vitamin C, or the Advanced Clinicals vitamin C. And we're also going to be needing niacinamide, and the niacinamide we're going to be using we need in this routine is the niacinamide plus TXA tranexamic acid from the Annual brand. The formulation is top notch. You would love this. Our treatment serum will be Good Molecule Discoloration Correcting Serum. This is a very good serum that will help in fading discoloration. Like, it's very good. And the second option is Tropical Faded Serum. That one is very good in fading hyperpigmentation too. This is how you're going to use your serums. You're going to be using your serum vitamin C during the day. Yeah, you can use it in the morning. Then you're going to be using your niacinamide at night time. You can also use your niacinamide in the mornings. Your treatment serum should be strictly at night. Don't use your treatment serum in the morning. Use it in the night. You understand? So we will be needing moisturizers that are non-comedogenic, which wouldn't clog our pores, hereby leading to breakout or excessive oil production. So we're going to select a very good hydrating moisturizer. My recommended moisturizer is Neutrogena hydroboost gel cream with hyaluronic acid, and as you know, hyaluronic acid is very hydrating, because the key in treating hyperpigmentation is hydration. You need hydration. Now, you know you've used your glycolic acid and you've used your BHA chemical peel. Now you need something to also hydrate your skin. You need something to moisturize your skin to avoid dryness, your skin drying out, and also to lock in moisture to your skin. Now that's why you'll be needing a good moisturizer. Hyaluronic acid is very hydrating, so that is why we are selecting a moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid that is also non-comedogenic, which is a gel moisturizer. And the second hydrating moisturizer we are going to be needing is, so in case you cannot get the first, you get the second, which is the Uncover Argan Hydrating Moisturizer. This moisturizer is lightweight. It contains niacinamide, it contains moringa, it contains squalene, hyaluronic acid, and it contains African Argan Oil. So this will tell you that this is a very good moisturizer you can try out. If you're watching my video up to this very moment and you're here to subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Do well to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video to people that might be suffering from hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone. Share this video to them. And I want to also tell you that I sell skincare products, original skincare products, and I'm based in Nigeria, in Lagos, Nigeria. So I'll be dropping my contact up here in case you need any skincare products you have been looking for and you could not lay your hands on them. Contact me, please. My contact is for business only. Don't call me or chat me up to ask me question based on the video I make. Ask me question in the comment section down below. If you contact me on WhatsApp asking me question concerning my videos, I would not reply you. Just comment down the comment section and I will be attending to any question there. So contacting me is strictly for business. Please don't contact me for any other reason. I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I sell original skincare products. Yes, thank you. The sixth step today is the sunscreen. You cannot use all these actives in our skincare routine and we will not be using sunscreen during the day. Please, while using this thing, don't joke with your sunscreen, because all this active we are using will make our skin to be very sensitive to the sun, whereby causing more damage if we do not protect our skin. As we are treating, we want to protect our skin to avoid adverse effect on our skin. Please, while choosing sunscreen in this kind of routine, please choose a sunscreen that has SPF 50 and above. Please don't choose anyone below. Let's do it this way. Let's say you are choosing SPF that is at least 30, that has 30 SPF in it. Please protect yourself from the UVA, protect yourself from the UVB. Please and please. The UVA will cause you aging, while the UVB will cause you burning. Yes, please, it will burn your skin. Please, you don't want to get skin burns. Please kindly protect your skin. And my recommendation for SPF 50 is Isntree hyaluronic watery gel sunscreen. That one is very good, very good. That one will not clog your pores and is very good for dry skin, oily skin, acne prone skin. Anybody can use this. You're very good to go with this. And the second one is Beauty with Jaseon sunscreen. This one is the new celeb in town. So this one is very nice. That's the second. And the third one is the La Roche-Posay sunscreen, and the fourth one is the Hatomugi gel milky sunscreen. That one is very good too. So when you purchase this sunscreen is not going to clog your pores. It's not going to cause you any form of breakout. It's not going to clog you. It's not going to darken you. It's not going to cause you any kind of. These ones are, the formulations are very good and okay for acne or blemish prone skin. Now we've come to the end of the video. If this video was helpful, please share and like this video till I come your way next time. See you guys in my next video. Bye.